It's Manny here from Dynamic Transmission Center. Going to take you for a walk today. Going to take you for a little tour of what it looks like inside of a transmission, the components that go into a repair that will give you years of trouble-free driving. We're going to identify the areas of wear and tear. We're going to identify components that were upgraded that did not normally get put into a transmission from the manufacturer, which the aftermarket has done a very good job at identifying our troublesome areas. So let's go take a walk. I'll take you for a ride, and then at the end of the video, we'll come back for maybe some more commentary.
Hey, welcome back. We're going to identify here components that, well, you can't see anything wrong with this because of the simple fact that it's an enclosed bearing. This vehicle has 320,000 miles. And so it would be a huge disservice to our customer to put something like this back into the vehicle, even though you can't see anything wrong with it today. It's highly likely that the life of this component has already been used up. And so it's necessary for the shop management or whatever is going to be fixing your vehicle to have that kind of mentality, to be conscious of the fact of what's going back into your transmission. So you see all this right here, these are called the Torrington bearings. They have very small little needle bearings running around inside of them. And if one of those things were to fail after the transmission remanufacturing process has been done, you will have a catastrophic failure. So it is highly likely that if one of those things were to go back into the transmission today, this customer would have a problem with this work. This is one of the updates I was telling you about that the manufacturer has done for the 4100. This is what's called a one-piece case bushing. It was designed to correct an issue in the back of the transmission, lack of lubrication, because the shaft that goes through it is the output shaft of the transmission. There's another one. All of these ones right here, they go into different areas of the transmission. I won't bore you with those details, but and over here, obviously, this has already been installed. This is a pump bushing. It's already got the new seal installed on the other side. Over here, you got just a few samples of the brand new frictions that are going in. The other ones have already been assembled into the clutch packs. You can see those down there inside of the clutch pack. And I'm sure this one right here, you can see them all nicely shining inside of there. So, also, this is just as we go through the transmission, this is what you call the remanufacturing kit. It's a brand new molded rubber gasket. A lot of people in the industry that are giving their work away simply because they don't want to change parts and they want to be competitive with pricing, they shortcut it, and this gasket is reusable, but it also will have a lifespan of its own. So after 320,000 miles, it needs to be tossed out. Here you have a brand new center support update kit. The original one of this transmission did not have a bearing because it actually blew out, and so that was part of the failure of the work that we got in here. Brand new solenoid block, OEM certified. And then more updates. Here you got the E4OD clutch line regulator valve lineup in here. The Code 62 pump package. Very common problem with this diesel engine vehicles is that the converter clutch will drag because of the fact that this pump has not been updated, and then it'll cause the converter to overheat and blow out the front seal after it starts to overheat and slip. Here's another update, the boost valve with no O-rings. And more updates. Valve kit regulator for the pressure regulator valve.
Hey, here at the end of the video, after just giving you that snippet of what it looks like to work inside of the transmission, I didn't want to bore you with the entire repair from beginning to end. It would take too long to put it on a video, but at the end of the video here, you'll see what the finalized product looks like just before it goes back into the truck, as well as some other pictures of the cars that we're servicing here at Dynamic Transmission. So yeah, if you're looking for a qualified repair to take care of your transmission drivetrain related needs, give us a call, 954-574-6742. Thank you for watching.